Welcome, today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings and then scroll down to the fingerprint and security section. Now just scroll a little bit more down, and here you'll see the SIM card lock. Tap there, and here as can you see, our SIM card just have the SIM pin, and just to remove the SIM pin, here tap once on the switcher, and here type enter your currently SIM password. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just confirm with OK. And as can you see, we just remove our SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.